Here we've got Samsung Galaxy M31, and let me show you how to activate and deactivate auto spell check on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all apps, then find and select the settings, click on General Management, and now select Language and Input. Here you will notice on-screen keyboard, so just click on it, select Samsung keyboard, and now locate and open Smart Typing. Here you will notice auto spell check, so smoothly click on it, and if you'd like to activate it, just pick the language in which you would like to use it. So from now on, the misspelled words will be underlined in red and suggest the correction. You can obviously pick another language if you want to. So this is it. This is how you can activate spell check in your device. Enjoy and use it if only you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.